How to use mystery shopping data. This is the fourth video in our mystery shopping series. Mystery shopping data can provide valuable insights into how customers experience your business. To use the data effectively, start by analyzing the results to identify areas where your business is excelling and areas that need improvement. Use the information to develop a plan for addressing any issues and improving customer experience. This might involve training staff, improving processes, or making changes to your product or service offerings. Regularly conducting mystery shopping assessments can help you track progress and identify new areas for improvement. By using mystery shopping data to make informed decisions, you can enhance customer satisfaction, build loyalty, and increase revenue. Check out the next video in our mystery shopping series.